Hey everyone, I am Nate Favini. I'm the medical lead here at Forward, and I'm excited to tell you a little bit about Forward at Home. Now, Forward is a new kind of preventive health service. We're primary care that's focused on preventing you from having health problems in the future. So it's all about proactively getting to know you, who you are, your risks, and helping you prevent health problems down the road. We combine our technology with some of the best doctors in the world to give you better insights into your health so that you can make plans to improve your health over the longer term. Now, with Forward at Home, it's very easy to get started. It's as simple as bringing up the Forward app on your phone. And then what we're going to do is create a number of experiences for you to start going deeper on your health. The first thing you're going to get is a sensor kit in the mail. And this includes sensors that allow us to start gathering biometric information about you and your body, which will inform our care plans. So you can see here that the sensor kit includes a blood pressure cuff, which helps us gather information about your heart health, a thermometer to measure your temperature and tell us about signs of infection or autoimmune conditions, and a pulse oximeter, which we use to assess both your cardiac health and your pulmonary health. This is just the start of getting to gather some information about your body that will inform your visit with your doctor. Now, this kit is yours, so you keep this at home, and you'll continue to track this data over time along with your care team so that we can understand the progress that you're making on these important measures. After you have done your biometric measurements, you will have a member of our care team come to your home. And the care team member will be there to draw your blood. It's super comfortable. You can do it on your own couch, and they'll come and draw your blood. They'll bring it back to our lab where we process it and then have the information available for you to review with your doctor. And that's the next step, is your baseline visit. Now, the baseline visit is a really in-depth visit between you and your doctor, and it happens using an interface that we call our smart screen. I'm showing that to you here. So all of the information that you got from your sensor kit, the information from your laboratory tests, is all available on the screen here as you review it with your doctor. So you get to see it in real time. It's not like a traditional doctor's office where you're waiting 2 weeks to get the results in the mail. You're actually getting to review it live with your doctor, go deep on understanding it and its implications for your longer term health. And you can see your doctor is here in the corner walking you through everything. Now, we're going to go really deep on getting to know you. We're going to talk about you and your history. We're going to talk about your family history. We're going to even talk about things like diet and exercise and sleep and stress, all with the goal of maximizing your well-being today and your health in the longer term. Some examples of things that we're going to look at. We're going to look at your LDL cholesterol level, and we're going to understand based on that number, what your risk of heart disease is like in the future. Are you at higher risk of having a heart attack? And if so, we're going to make a plan to address specific things that can prevent that from happening. We also offer genetic testing to all of our members. You'll get a genetic testing kit in the mail. And then using the smart screen, we can go through all of the results of your genetic testing together as well. That's a really great experience. We look at things like your risk of diabetes, your risk of heart disease, your risk of certain types of cancers. And because we have that information, we can make better plans to A, prevent those things from happening, and B, to identify them early if they do occur, so we can prevent some of the bad outcomes that come along with those things. And that's really just oriented towards our philosophy of using all of the information we have available that the latest in technology and science can provide for our members to maximize your health. So that's your first experience using the smart screen at your baseline visit. After you have your baseline visit, the Forward app becomes your 24/7 portal to interact with our care team. You can send us a message here at 2 in the morning, and a member of the care team will get back to you within a couple of minutes. It's pretty amazing. There are questionnaires on here regarding specific symptoms that you might be having. You can tell us everything that's going on, and we'll be there to help you. The app also allows us to do things like check in about your mental health, where we ask questions about anxiety or depression that you might be experiencing, and then get you the support you need to really maximize your mental health and well-being as well. Now, it's not all via the app and the computer. If you need to have anything done in one of our physical locations, we're available for that too. So whether it's coming to the location for a skin cancer scan, where we look and identify any risk of skin cancer on your body, or coming in to have women's health issues addressed or men's health issues addressed, or any physical exam or test that you need to have done in our location, that's available to you as well. So I think you can see it's a really comprehensive experience, and it's something that's really hard to find elsewhere, where you really have a doctor, a care team, and technology that's there to support you maximizing your health in the longer term. Thanks for listening. If you would like to learn more, check us out at goforward.com, and we'll see you there.